How you guys doing? How you guys doing? So do a little cleaning later on today. Just came and checked on these birds first. Gave them some food, some water. She's doing good. She's on eggs. She has 2 eggs right there. They have 1 egg up there. She's down in her nest bowl, but hey, wherever she wants to lay her eggs, she can lay them. Giving those guys some water. So, and these guys are gonna get, they guys got fed. Sorry about that. These guys just got fed. Gonna check them out, they need water. Clean them out today too. So, but we'll see what happens a little bit later on. I'll clean them out. I mean, how it goes.